for John snoring. Wait for John snoring. He is. He said he does not snore. I have to get closer so I can hear him better. Wait for it. Wait for it. One way they don't believe, somebody doesn't believe you snore, and you're videotaping. Truth is videotape is not live.
Now, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take today somebody here in my office.
Here it is. There it is. There's that big one. It's almost like somebody's going to labor, and then there's contractions, and there's a big one coming. Oh, there's a big one, and then it slows down. Look at his mouth. Look how open it is. Now I don't know if he's joking around now or if he's serious. Because he looks like he's getting ready to joke around. Alright, bye for now.